Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. Remove page number 26 of your Discovering Maths. Remove your Discovering Maths textbook, page number 26. On page number 26, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers. In this chapter, the new words we are going to learn, that is thousands, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Then successor. Successor means next number to the given number. For example, 6519 is there. What is the successor? Is the successor of 6518, means you have the next number of 18 is 19. 6518 successor will be 6519. Then predecessor means previous number from the given number. Suppose here 6518 is there, is predecessor means previous one number. Okay, 6517. Then ascending order. You know ascending order, you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to larger. Then descending, you have to arrange numbers from larger to smaller, but in 4 digits. Now see page number 27 of your textbook. 4-digit numbers and number names. Let us recall some previous concept. The largest 1-digit number is, सबसे बड़ा 1-digit number कौन सा है? 9, because 9 के बाद क्या आता? 10, और 10 क्या हो जाता है? 10 2-digit number होता है. When we add 1 to it, we get the smallest 2-digit number, that is 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. The largest 2-digit number is 99. सबसे बड़ा 2-digit number कौन सा है? 99, because 99 के बाद आता है 100. Same like that only, the largest 3-digit number is 999, that is 999, because 999 के बाद आता है 1000. तो largest 1-digit number is 9, largest 2-digit number is 99, largest 3-digit number is 999. Now let us represent 100 as, when you are going to count these small blocks in this, you can see this is 100, and 110 as this is 10 blocks, and 1 as only 1 block. Okay, so now you can count here how many blocks are there. One block is of 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. Let's write here 900. Okay, then this is one strip is of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So let's write here 90. Then this blocks of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's write here 9, and then one block is of 1, that's why we are going to write here 1. तो कितना हुआ? 990, 91. 9 plus 1. So 990, 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. Now see on page number 28. 100 make 1000. Okay, you can see here ones, tens, 100. So this is 1000. So 1000 means 1000 makes 1000. So let us learn numbers from 1001 in counting order. Counting order means एक के बाद एक जो numbers आएंगे counting order में, that is the counting numbers. Now you can see here 1001, 1003, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, and so on till 1100. So how you are going to read the numbers? By writing ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So 1001, 1002. So just write above the digits as written here, ones, 10,000, hundred and thousand. Okay. So this 1100. Okay. So let's see numbers on page number 29. Let us see some example of number names. How you are going to write? Same, ones, tens, hundred or thousand. So write 1 on 1000, then 1. So 1001, 1010, 1011, 1022, 1034, 1000. Here 1102. Okay. If you have any confusion, you just write above the ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So you will not be going to be confused if you will do by this method. Okay. So practice zone 1. Write the number names of the following numbers. So you have to write these number names in your rough book. 1004, 1025, 1078, 1098. So same question number 2. Write the numbers from 1101 to 1150 in counting orders. So it's very simple. You have to complete this practice zone in your rough book. Now on page number 29, our next topic, counting numbers in hundreds. Okay, as we have seen, first this one block is of here, small 100 blocks is there. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So 1000 is written as 1000. 1000 means 1000. Here how many blocks are there? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 and 1100. So 1100 is written like that, and this is known as 1100. So same way here, hundreds, thousands and number names. 1000. This is the 1000. And number name, how you are going to write number and 1000? No, it's a 1000. 1100 is written as 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, and then this is known as 2000 is known as 2000. Okay. Then counting by thousands. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7, 8000, 9000, and 10,000. So 10,000 is known as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. So on page number 27, let us try to solve practice zone 2. Complete the following by counting in hundreds. Here you have to count in hundreds. Here 1201, 1301. Then you are going to write 1401, 1501, 1601. This is counting in 100. 100 means आपको 100 की प्लेस वाले numbers you have to change here. Now 1351, 1451, 1551, 1651, 1751. Here 2100, 2200. Here 2300, 2400, 2500. Same 5100, 5200, 5300, 5400, 5500. So like this. Now I think you can see clearly. So like this you have to, we have seen the counting in hundreds and thousands. Now this is time for homework. Remove your observation book, chapter number 2, fun with numbers, page number 13. Homework is on page number 13 of your observation book. Question number 1, complete the table. Here numbers 7531. Here you have to write the number name. और जिसका नंबर नेम लिखे हुए है आपको नंबर्स लिखना है, जिसके नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं आपको नंबर नेम्स लिखना है. So today homework is only question number 1. So complete. Hope you have understood. Complete your homework with the help of with your parents. Keep your book neat and clean and write the right sums. Thank you.